welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are quickly introducing our new sparkle cardstock. We have 3 different packs. We have the sparkle cardstock in autumn, we also have it in holiday, and we have a pixie dust pack as well. So first up, we're going to take a look at the autumn pack. And this has 5 sheets of sparkle cardstock in it, and there's 5 different colors. And I love this cardstock because 1, it die cuts beautifully, and 2, most importantly, the glitter does not come off, which is so awesome. So here is a look at all of the colors. We have black, purple, orange, copper, and brown. And here you can see just how beautifully this thing sparkles. Oh my goodness, I could look at this all day. It makes me so happy. And you can really mix and match these colors for different seasons. We have traditional orange and black for Halloween, or you could throw in a little extra purple in there for kind of some fun Halloween texture. And then you can use the orange, copper, and brown together for beautiful fall colors as well. So here is our holiday pack. This pack also has 5 sheets of that awesome sparkle cardstock, and we've got some beautiful holiday and kind of Christmas colors. So we have a red, a light green, a dark green, a gold, and a silver. Here is a look at that gorgeous sparkle. Oh my goodness. Once again, I know I said it already, but I really could look at this paper all day. It's so great. And there you can see I'm rubbing my thumb on it and none of that glitter comes off. These colors are great for mixing and matching. You can do red and green for traditional, or you can do the gold and silver for kind of a different holiday look, or even for New Year's as well. So this is our pixie dust pack, and this pack also comes with 5, but the 5 are all one color, and that's this beautiful pixie dust white color sparkle cardstock. I know I'm going to be using this for snow on all of my cards, so I wanted to make sure I had a ton in a pack, so that's why we have 5 of the single pack of the white. Here I wanted to show you what a great addition that pixie dust is to the holiday collection. Those two really do just mix and match together. And then I wanted to show you the full rainbow of sparkle cardstock that we have when you put all of these colors together. There is the difference between the copper and the gold. The copper is in the autumn pack and the gold is in the holiday. And here you can see this awesome rainbow of sparkle cardstock that we have. I love how beautiful these are, and I just cannot wait to use them. So next up, we're going to take a little look at how the design team has been using this awesome sparkle cardstock. So first up, we have a reveal wheel by Melissa where the colors of the leaves are changing with the colors of the glittered cardstock. Here, Audrey has used the pixie dust sparkle cardstock to create some snow for her cute little elves. And then Melissa has used a happy die cut out of her sparkle cardstock. And then on the inside of her card, she has this awesome pop-up bat also cut from the sparkle cardstock. Once she made this card, she was inspired to create a whole rainbow of bats. And just how cute would this be for some really fun and colorful Halloween decor? Here, Lynette has used the pixie dust cardstock to be her snow in her double slider. I just love how this looks so much. And here, Megan has made a color-changing reveal wheel card using the glitter paper, which is so awesome. I just adore Letitia's apple-shaped card. That glitter looks incredible on it. And then I love how Elise used the glitter paper as her card base. I think that looks so amazing. Here, Shari has used the pixie dust paper as the snow there on her double slider surprise card. And then here I love how Ivy used the purple glitter paper as the star of the show, cutting it with our polka dot backdrop. I cannot wait to see what you guys do with the new sparkle cardstock, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today and have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!